So I'm here in Las Vegas at the National Hardware Show for 2025. I'm gonna show you 15 products that probably shouldn't exist. We're gonna see some amazing vendors here with a bunch of new inventions. There's everything from lawn equipment to grills, to drills, to fasteners. Heck, there's even lawn mowers and power supplies here. So join us today as we find that next tool for your toolbox. So if you're looking for a solution, because you might have that kid that drops bombs in your toilet, take a look at Prevent-A-Clog for having that one special person who might come over that always clogs up your toilets.
Have you ever seen a kitchen garbage disposal for a toilet? My name's Alex, inventor of a product called Prevent-A-Clog. It's the only device in the market that deals with a toilet clog before it happens. So think of it as a kitchen garbage disposal for a toilet. The solutions out there, snakes, plungers, augers, deal with the problem after the fact. Prevent-A-Clog deals with it before it even happens. There's a motorized ring gear mechanism on the back side of this, which is really slick. You don't see it when it's mounted. It's connected to power, and the flaps rotate, breaking down waste, breaking down that crazy amount of toilet paper so that it doesn't get stuck in the toilet. Yeah, so when you push the button, that's how you activate the device, and the blades rotate and breaking down the waste and toilet paper into smaller parts. So it uses a lithium battery that you recharge once every couple of months. So it comes with an adapter to charge the battery. And then you can mount this anywhere you want, on the back of the toilet tank or on the side. That's the customer's choice. So product coming soon. You can soon you'll be able to purchase it from preventaclog.net. That's my website.
So there's this product called Rako, but not only does Rako have the most unbelievable garden utility, their salesperson has got to be one of the best ones I've seen here at the National Hardware Show in Las Vegas. You have to check them out. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and turn it to them now.
Rako going to replace all your gardening tools. This is Vivian, and this is the Better Tool Company. This is our Rako product. It is an 8-22-inch retractable rake with a hula hoe on the back. It also is a bottle opener. Why else would you not need a bottle opener? There's 3 hooks, 1, 2, and 3, to put our custom and composable bags. We make them, and the Rako comes with 10 of them. So pretend I have a bag on this. You scoop it up, and then you can easily take it off the things. I do this every Sunday, by the way. And you can throw it in the trash because it's composable. And then, when you're all done with your hard work, it stands on its own, and that's our Rako. You can buy one at all Tractor Supplies nationwide.
Man, you gotta take a look at this one. It's the finger.
Why wear out your finger when you can use mine? My name's Daniel Stevenson. I've been a paint contractor for over 30 years. Got tired of wearing my finger out smoothing caulk, so I made one. Let me show you how it works. Just put your caulk on, take the caulking finger, wet it, smooth it out.
That comes out perfect.
Stick it down in a bucket with some water and a rag, cleans itself off. You never have to touch the caulking.
Look at that. I gotta see that. Look at that. Perfect. Hold on, I gotta get close up of that.
They're available at thecaulkingfinger.com for $9.99.
So I stumbled upon this accessory that you could add that would be pretty much one of the coolest additions to your drill.
This is Will with the Pushpilot, and this is the best hole saw accessory in the world. It's a traditional arbor, traditional hole saw, and this is the traditional result you get from drilling with it. You get this stuck plug. The Pushpilot is an arbor, much like this, but it has a few differences. It threads onto any size hole saw the same way, and works with any hole saw, different hole saws. But what it does, it only drills into the wood this 3/8 of an inch. After that, the pressure from drilling will collapse this plunger into this spring-loaded chamber, and then once it gets done drilling, it automatically will eject the wood out of the hole saw, so you never have this problem. You never have to sit there and pry with a screw or try and touch a hot saw because it's already gone and you're already drilling the next hole. Okay, so this is how the Pushpilot works, and you actually don't need to push on the Pushpilot. It'll just drill itself. So you get it right up to the hole you're about to drill and just start drilling. It will engage. Pushpilot, the best hole saw accessory in the world.
I have the perfect solution for you in case you are always using your garden sprayer and you're constantly losing pressure and having to redo it. You have to check out this sprayer from Aussie Easy Spray. It is definitely going to be a really good product once it hits the market. I can tell you I'm going to be buying one.
Hey, have you ever seen a no pumping sprayer? So here's the no pump sprayer. This is how you use it. First of all, you put in your fertilizer, your weed killer. You then hook it up to your garden hose, like so. Turn it on, 30 seconds later it's full. Take it off. There's a pressure gauge tells you it's full. Then you start spraying. And away you go. So it'll spray start to finish at full pressure. Looks like we're running out of water. And it sprays with huge power.
Watch out. If you might get wet.
Yeah. The spray has several attachments, so I can go from mist to half jet. There's a shower, and here's a mist. It will empty the tank, continuous spraying in 2 minutes. Your pump sprayer is pump, 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 125 times for this size, and it's going to take you 20 minutes to finish.
Question for that. How much, what's the max PSI that'll hold?
It works on town water pressure, so it's between 60 and 80 PSI. If the pressure goes, there is a Schroeder valve to allow you to create the air pressure inside there, which holds the bladder which is inside there. Put in the water, it expands the bladder and squeezes the sides of the sprayer, and it's the air pressure that gives us the 2 minutes of spraying at full pressure until empty. Yeah. And no batteries, no electrics. It's coming on the 1st of May. You'll be able to get it online at many locations, but hopefully in most local garden centres.
This drill bit is all you ever need. With one drill bit, we are going to drill a hole. And with the same drill bit, we are going to drive the screw. All one tool. My name is Germain. The company name is Rapid Drill and Drive, and you can get it from our website, rapid50.com.
I'm visiting a company over here called Invisoscreen, and they got this cool adapter that if it hits the market, it's going to go absolutely insane. It actually is a snap-in, roll-out screen for your windows that you don't want to have all the time screened up. And as you open up the window, the screen rolls out. You got to check it out. Something really cool and innovative.
I'm going to show you now something you've never seen before. It's a new window screen that creates a better view to the great outdoors. What it is, normally on your windows today, the window screen covers the entire opening of the window. So no matter what, you're always looking through a dirty, buggy window screen. So what we're doing, okay, you got it? The screen just coils in, so you can just crack your window a couple inches, and now you have a clear view through the rest of the opening.
So the screen is sitting on the back, and it's
just coils in.
It just coils
right.
in.
Yeah. Under this cover, there's a coiling device, a spring-activated coiling device. So it's just simple as that. Oops. This is broken. It was damaged.
Right. Is it attached to pretty much any window, or?
Yeah, we're designing it so it'll fit all different size windows. Because the way we do, there's a rod inside that's expandable, right? So the object is you buy it at Home Depot or whatever, you bring it home, and you set the unit you expand it to whatever size window you have. Okay. Once you do that, let me show you. Okay, there's a part on each side of the window. You secure that to the frame, right? And then once you get it secured, then the screen is a separate unit itself.
Gotcha.
Right? So we're going to sell it like in, say, 3-foot lengths. Mm-hmm. So then once you get it established to the right size, then you cut the screen and then just insert it. So it'll be very easily installed. The website is Invisoscreen.com.
Now I'm absolutely blown away on this next invention piece. I have never seen anything that would help and assist carrying a 5-gallon bucket like this product. Check it out.
How do you solve carrying a heavy-ass 5-gallon bucket? This is how. This is BucketGrips. First of their kind handles that clip right to the sides of your bucket, making it easier to carry. All you do is just clip it, pick it up. Now you get to distribute the weight, make it easier. 100% recyclable plastic, made in the USA. You can buy these BucketGrips.com, Amazon, HomeDepot.com, Lowe's.com, Do It Best, other select retailers. Get a grip.
Before you throw away your next saw blade, check out this video. James with Tiger's Teeth Blades, and I'm the inventor of the saw blade sharpener. It sharpens all of your saw blades. And the reason this whole thing came about is just got tired of blowing through blades and all the money I was spending on it and leaving the job site to go buy more blades. If you want to come check it out, I'll show you exactly how it works. I'm just going to come in here on an oscillating blade and I'm going to make a few plunges.
Oh, look at that.
So we got a nice set of sharpened teeth on there. And once those teeth are on there, all you have to do is come back in and just hit it again and it's sharpened again. But it'll do way more than that. We can also sharpen our circular saw blades, hole saws. We got reciprocating saws, and we can even do smaller drill bits in there too. So it'll do everything that you need. Go ahead and head over to tigersteethblades.com and you can get it right there on the website.
Hello, we are Tru-Fit belts, the only ratcheting tool belt on the market. We have 1/4-inch increments. You can ratchet your belt on to a nice snug fit every time. Won't slide down on your hips like typical traditional belts. It's also got a quick release so you can get them off in a hurry. Changing the way you wear your bags. We currently sell them on our website, trufitbelts.com, and also on Amazon.
This is the Sage brush clip, the only one in the world of its kind.
Brush clip, this will open your paint can, easily clips on, and hold your wet paint brush so you can have hands-free motor around. Other uses we have found, works as a stud finder. Also, instead of holding nailed screws in your mouth, now you got a place to clip it. Also works with other tools to free up hands. Made in Colorado, USA.
Where can I buy it?
Local Ace Hardwares and online at sbclip.com.
I just found the coolest attachment to any power tool that you're ever gonna own. You have to check this out. Let's talk about this Powerboot. This Powerboot, it attaches pretty much to the bottom of a cordless tool. Now let's get into the inner workings of what it can do. Let's say you're running a DeWalt, attach this particular device behind it. From inside this device, it has a magnet on the bottom. You can pick up objects. You could also store pretty much all your bits inside it, because you could be on a ladder and you're just trying to figure out, I need to hold this bit for this particular drill or this bit for this particular screw. Normally end up doing is holding like 3 or 4 of them, but they're really hard to get to. But now you can have this connected right on the bottom of any one of your power tools, depending on if it's a Milwaukee, DeWalt, or a rigid, whatever it is that you need, you'll have that available for you. So you can pick up the Powerboot tool at powertools.com. It's definitely going to change how you store all your bits for your drills.
You've seen a tape measure, but have you seen one do this? This is the turbo blade. It's a direct drive, brushless motor, automatic tape measure. It's got a variable speed switch. You can push the switch out and in. It has 3 different speed modes. It's a quick charge port with a lanyard holder. You can find us on our website. We're launching a Kickstarter at BrittonTool.com.
Okay, but how high will it really go? So it looks like we did 24 feet on that. I think we could play tricks with this all day long, to be honest with you. If I had one of these tape measures, I'd be shooting things all over the job site. Probably wouldn't get anything done. All right, so you have to check out this screw that I saw that actually has no face to it. But what happens is that when you press on the top, it sinks down and then the slot's revealed. Cool stuff.
How would you screw in a screw with no slot. My name's Andy Klein. I'm an inventor, woodworker. I come up with lots of cool products from gear coupled twin screw vices to screws with no slot. And that's how you screw in a screw with no slot. It's a special driver that doesn't damage the screw when you torque it, and I've got lots of hardware that lets woodworkers and furniture designers and interior companies to do really cool, awesome builds. Two pieces of metal coming together seamlessly to form one unbroken face it's a really satisfying thing to see. And I had seen demonstrations of precision machining that had this effect but didn't have any function. I wanted to build that cool factor into something functional, and a screw felt like the best way to get it out into the world in lots of different places. So 3 years ago I came out with my first design. 1 year ago I refined that design to get the price point at a place where a lot more people could incorporate it into their work. It's available on my website, InkleinD.com.
So I see this guy rolling around some hay, and it's like 300 pounds of hay. Let's go over and ask him what he's doing. How effortless is this?
This is like holding nothing. I've got 300 pounds of hay right here, and it's perfectly balanced. So all you have to do is just move forward and back. I'm with Polymule. This is the Warrior cart. It's the best all-terrain utility cart you can get. It's got great ergonomics. This forward handle gives you a good balance point where all the weight is over the cart. I'm barely holding this up at all. It has large 27-inch tires that are no flat, solid rubber. You can go over boulders, stumps, with 20 inches of ground clearance. Basically, there's no limit to the terrain you can cover. Without any tools, you could break it down to this compact form in under 3 minutes. Throw it in the back of your truck, connect it to your ATV, to your side-by-side, to your lawnmower, to your tractor. It's great for farm and ranch, it's great for homeowners, great for emergency preparedness, disaster relief. So we have our website, polymule.com. It's going to be available later this year.
So I'm hauling about 300 pounds of hay right now, and it literally feels, I could do it with one hand. Check this out. Really easy to move around.
You won't want to miss this session.
If you enjoyed today's video on 15 products that shouldn't exist, leave a comment below because I want to hear what you think.